Hello everyone, welcome to Invest Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about the creative ways and how to make profit with crypto. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started with this video, which will go into more detail on that topic than the last one did. For those who are completely unfamiliar with the subject matter, this video will provide an explanation for the question, what is all this crypto stuff? The first step is to acquire knowledge and start earning money by leasing out some of your cryptocurrency holdings. Is it the same as working in a bank or at a credit union? Try to guess what happens to your money when you're not around and the bank does it. They're going to take your money and invest it on your behalf, but they are not going to give you any of the profits that they make. They make a profit off of money that does not really belong to them by, in effect, lending it to other people. To make money off of it, having a banking background is not required. It's possible that you may start earning Bitcoin by lending it out and getting cryptocurrency incentives. Using Bitcoin assets to generate extra revenue is a simple and straightforward process. There is a possibility that you may get compensation for keeping digital assets in your Bitfinex wallet. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether are among the supported digital currencies on the list of supported cryptocurrencies. The minimum deposit is thus low and there is no lookup time. The bonuses are easily withdrawable to your Bitfinex wallet, at which point you are ready to proceed. Either you begin to leverage your money in the same way that the top 1% does, or you begin to put your money to work for you instead of hoarding it all for yourself. The second strategy involves making insignificant financial commitments. If you think that cryptocurrencies and the technology behind them, blockchains, are here to stay, then investing in them is a smart move to make. In 2017, it was reported that people who resembled drug dealers, were overweight, and were as young as 17 and 18 years old had gained millions of dollars via Bitcoin. This was an experience shared by several people. Would it have been possible for them to put up a large amount of money at an earlier stage? Granted, some people didn't realize they were investing while they were trying to acquire and sell shady things, but they gained money because they had the item when its value was very low and retained it as its value climbed. This allowed them to profit as the item's value increased. Because of this, they were able to profit from the increase in the value of the asset. There is a chance that there will still be a chance in 2022, but this depends on whether or not you feel it will continue to expand and whether or not you believe it will continue to draw more and more people over time. It is not difficult to comprehend. You may purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin with cash at any time by visiting Coinbase and linking it to a debit or credit card or even your bank account. You just need to visit Coinbase. Trading is the third way to contemplate generating money with cryptocurrencies. Binance is an excellent platform from which to launch a trading career if you're just starting out in the industry. Trading cryptocurrencies entails taking a financial position on the price direction of individual cryptocurrencies relative to the value of the United States dollar, or in pairings represented by the symbol crypto or dollar or another cryptocurrency. This can be done by buying or selling a cryptocurrency or in pairings denoted by the notion crypto to crypto. It is a very difficult process to get started, which is why it is often easier to sell shovels during every gold rush. This is because getting started requires a very difficult process. Performing duties such as technical analysis and drawing small graphs, axes, and lines along with other jobs that are quite similar will be required of you if you have no prior knowledge of trading. You will be required to do jobs such as technical analysis if you have no prior knowledge of trading. As a consequence of this, I would also suggest that you become an affiliate of this exchange. This is because instead of putting your cash at risk by day trading, you may deliver crypto news on your blog or YouTube channel if you become an affiliate of this exchange. When someone signs up for this cryptocurrency exchange via your referral through the Binance affiliate program, you have the potential to earn a commission up to 50% of their first deposit. Due to the fact that this is a relatively new trend, there is a relatively low level of competition. This style is actually acquiring broad acceptance. In light of this information, I would also suggest signing up to become a member of this exchange. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bitcoin mining is the fourth way to earn money in crypto. You should buy small or diminutive rigs to determine their daily profitability. You get $60, $35, and $27 every day, respectively. If you get a large quantity, you may be able to develop many streams of Bitcoin income. You will get mining equipment and rigs. Once you have one, you just need to obtain a Bitcoin wallet, which is called Exodus. I would be able to commence operations. To get started, there is no cost. You may immediately download Exodus and store your Bitcoin there. Not comparable to your bank or wallet, in order to utilize these things, you must first join in a pool such as Slush Pool account. During your absence, keep a watch on your farm to identify any further issues as they occur. Using the statistical data we provide, you will be able to determine whether or not your incentives are equitable. You may get one by visiting nicehash.com. A decent hash miner is both the most lucrative and the simplest to run. You have access to a huge number of examples and many instantly begin Bitcoin mining. However, you must first install the required mining equipment. It is difficult to grasp, particularly if you do not want to get acquainted with the lingo. If you believe in technology, it may be a nice pastime, but it can also be a little challenging, particularly if you're attempting to earn a lot of money without really loving your work. If you believe in technology, it might be a fun hobby, but it can also be quite complicated. Joining the social media network Steemit is the sixth strategy available to you. Additionally, this is a very profitable way to earn cryptocurrency. You'll see that everyone writes blog posts when you go to their website and read some of them. It is feasible to earn up to $110 every day. They do this because they are financially rewarded for generating a substantial number of page views on this particular blog article or on the site in general. Because of this, marketers are prepared to pay them to start showing advertising in front of all these people who are seeing this blog article. The response of the vast majority of people would be something along the lines of, "Screw you, we're not giving you any of that money. You might end up becoming a writer on our platform and we could provide you with a link to your very own blog." On the other hand, given that you are helping us construct this platform and bringing in people, why don't we simply pay you back a portion of what we ourselves make? It's a lot like how YouTube works, where users add content and compete for a share of the money made from ads. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.